Sometimes when you're using a program on your computer, like a game or an application, it can stop responding. That means it doesn't do what it's supposed to do, and you can't close it the usual way by clicking the X or stop button. When this happens, you can use something called the Task Manager to close it down. Think of the Task Manager like a control center for your computer where you can see what programs are running and control them. Here's how you can use the Task Manager to close the program on your keyboard. There are 3 keys called Control, Shift, and Escape. Press them all at the same time. This will open the Task Manager. In the Task Manager, you'll see a list of all the programs that are running on your computer. Look for the name of the program that's not responding. Click on the program's name to select it. It should now be highlighted. At the bottom right corner of the Task Manager window, there's a button that says End Task. Click on that button. It's like telling your computer, hey, stop running this program. If everything goes well, the program should close down. But sometimes, even after you try to end the task, it might still not close. In that case, you might need to restart your computer. That's like giving it a fresh start to hopefully fix the problem.